Hello aspirants, welcome back to Your Kids YouTube channel. You might know that the most crucial exam that you take is the English proficiency test while you're planning for studying abroad. It is actually important for the university to know that you can comprehend English language even though you probably are the grammar Nazi in your circle. You might ask, there are a lot of English tests in the market. Which one should I choose? Well, you have the usual TOEFL and IELTS, which is highly recognized and popular. But then there's this new language test that's making the rounds in the market called the Duolingo test. All these tests might look that they're a set of triplets, but they have different personalities. That is syllabus, the mode of taking the test, scoring, etc. My goal in this video is to clarify the difference between TOEFL, IELTS and the Duolingo test so that you can make an informed decision. Let us look at the highlights of each of these tests. We will first start with the mode of each of these exams. IELTS and TOEFL are both computer-based and paper-based exam, while Duolingo is purely internet-based. Also, the time duration for the Duolingo test is way lesser than the other two tests. I mean, the Duolingo test is just like an hour-long test, while the other two are like an Ashutosh Gawar movie. Coming to the part which most Indians will consider, the cost. The Duolingo test is a clear winner here because it's just 49 USD, while IELTS is 149 US dollars and TOEFL is 185 US dollars in India. Moving on, I will explain the most tricky part, which is the syllabus. All the tests have reading, writing, speaking and listening, but tasks and sections differ in each of these exams. Wait, they aren't much different. TOEFL and IELTS have allotted time, while Duolingo has like an adaptive 45-minute test time for all the sections and a 10-minute interview section at the end. And now for the most essential part of this entire video. How are the tests graded? We all hope that the tests are graded in a simple 8+ to F, but no, they are a lot different and complicated. The TOEFL is graded from 0 to 120, IELTS is having a band system of 0 to 9, and Duolingo is grading from 10 to 160. Top colleges expect a score of 100 in TOEFL, 7.5 in IELTS and a score of 120 on Duolingo. And lastly, we'll discuss the most exciting part for the first benchers, the results. Duolingo shares the scores within 48 hours of taking the test, while IELTS can take about 4 to 5 days and TOEFL takes 8 days definitely. Now that we have given you all the information about the differences in these exams, we will help you to choose the best one that suits your needs. So there was one thing that I purposely left out or hadn't shared previously because I didn't want this to clog your judgment about the tests, which was about the acceptance of these tests across the colleges. TOEFL and IELTS are the oldest tests in the system. More than 10,000 universities and 150 countries accept these. While Duolingo is comparatively new and is accepted in very few countries and accepted in only few universities. But it is gaining popularity because of the ease of the exam and how easily you can give the scores for you to take up the admission into that university. TOEFL and IELTS need you to book an slot for giving this exam way ahead of time, whereas Duolingo can let you give the exam whenever and wherever you are ready. The other aspect that you should consider while selecting which English proficiency test to give, you should look at the university's requirements. So if the university wishes you to take a TOEFL, then you should focus on giving TOEFL rather than wasting time for preparing for the other tests. Also, all these tests have different patterns and syllabus. The best way to know what suits you is by taking the tests of these tests. I mean, it's similar like choosing an ice cream flavor. You all try what you like and decide on what you're most comfortable with. And if you're still confused on which test to take, then we are here to help you. Just get in touch with our experts. The link is provided below. Click on it and take help immediately. Trust me, we will be able to help you choose your English proficiency test. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment if you liked this video. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned, and sayonara. Bye-bye.